All right, so I watched this video the other day, and this guy was talking about how if your frequency is high enough that you can't attract lower vibrational energies or experiences. And I'm going to explain to you guys, this is actually very important. This is not true, okay? Sorry, I gotta get Max up here. So essentially, if you think about the energy field, so if you look back at my last video where I explained how complex the field is, this will make more sense, okay? If you just had your body in like one level of the field and there was only one frequency in your field, sure, that would make sense. The problem is that your field is very, very complex, okay? Same with your body. Everything in your body is resonating and vibrating at different frequencies, okay? Your pancreas is a different frequency than your heart, your third eye, your brain. It's all different frequencies, okay? And your physical body is dense, very, very dense, okay? So part of the ascension path is not only clearing the field, you're dealing with essentially 24 different density ranges, because we have source void, which is -1 through -13. -13 would be pure source void, and +13 would be pure source energy. So you have those 13 densities. In those densities, you have infinite dimensions, and your physical body and your field are fractals of that composite of the cosmic energies, okay? So if you were to go into like a false light bubble or any sort of higher vibrational bubble and be like, I am immune to lower vibrations, all you're doing is fooling yourself into believing that you're an enlightened being when you're not. When your physical body turns to pure light, which actually happens on the ascension path after the diamond sun body activates, after the rainbow starts to activate, after you're channeling pure gold flow, then you cannot attract negative energies, okay? So what you have to do in the process of getting there is refine your field, understand, learn, know your field, okay? Keep your field clear. As you do that and as you elevate, the field expands, becomes more and more complex, and the physical body starts purifying at the same time as the field, okay? So your field expands, your frequency rises, your nervous system starts integrating higher and higher frequencies into the body. The endocrine system starts activating. The endocrine is essentially your spiritual body in the flesh, okay? So those start activating, and everything becomes lighter and lighter and lighter, and the density in the body starts dissolving, okay? But it happens over time. If you have any density in the physical body, you can attract darker negative energies, okay? So you have to go through this process. So the way you don't attract negative energies is not by saying my frequency is really high and I just can't get negative energies. It's by understanding your field, refining your field, and mastering your field. And even when you're doing that, stuff can still come in. It always does, okay? If you have a physical body, dense and darker energies can get into your field. They can get into the physical body, okay? The reason why we master the field is that if something gets in, or we create a negative thought form, or we experience some sort of trauma, we clear it before it creates issues in the physical body, okay? So knowing about the darkness, knowing about attachments, knowing about inverted energies and how to clear them, how to transmute them, how to shield your field, that's part of the path, okay? And then I also wanted to talk about the negative ice energy. It's essentially the false god, so devil, okay? You have the false god, which is negative 12D, and then you have true God source, okay? And the negative false god, or the false god, is only in this universal system, and it's because the universe inverted, okay? So if you want to clear those really, really dark energies, you have to be embodying 11D, positively polarized 11D, to have access to and fully clear the negative 11D frequencies. Okay, do you see how that works? So to actually be able to even access the darkness, to clear it, to have power over it so it can't influence you, affect you, take you over, you have to rise to a certain degree, and then you can heal that darkness, okay? If you are not embodying the 11D, you cannot yourself heal and clear the negative 11D frequencies, okay? This is the tar-like energy that we see in the elites posts where they are using this. It's satanic worship, and that's why. That's what that energy is, okay? So the more you, again, I did this video the other day. If you expand up, you're not actually doing any expansion. You're going into a false light bubble, okay? You have to expand here, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, okay? And as you do that and you understand your field, you can protect your own field. You can protect yourself. The stronger you become with that, okay? That is you stepping into sovereignty, your divine power, okay? Knowing your field. You still have loads of guides and beings and light beings that can help you do this, okay? So you're not doing it alone. That's you working with the divine on the other side, but do your part in your field, okay? That's how it works. The clearer your field is, the healthier your body, the less issues you have in life, okay? It's just a smoother ride, but it's also complex because the higher your frequency, the more darkness you confront, okay? So it depends on your potential. Do you want to step into your highest potential and live that in body as a spiritual divine being, okay? That's what we're being asked to do. You cannot bypass this and become that divinity through pretending you're that divinity. You do it through embodiment, okay? So I just wanted to clear that up. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.